Hello YouTube friends and family, this is Jessica. I just wanted to get on here and give you an update. It's been a long time no see. It's been over a year since I've been on YouTube, and I just had to do some rebuilding and some life evaluations and just take a step back and look at myself. I wanted to get on here and let you know that I did start a new YouTube channel, and I wanted you guys to check it out. See what you think and leave some comments and let me know how I'm doing. The new channel is called Keto Homestead with Jess. I'll leave a link below so you can go check it out. But I will say that this channel that I had, I didn't like it anymore. I just felt like it needed redone. So I rebranded myself, renamed myself. So go check out Keto Homestead with Jess, and I hope to see you over there. Let me know what's been going on in your life, and I will see you soon.